Look at this mess right here. Look at that. Just a mess, honey. I need to clean this room up and get it sparkling for my clients tomorrow. Just a hot mess. And here we are, guys. She is all clean and ready to take clients. Except for that shovel, it needs to go in the basement. But my station's all clean. We're not gonna worry about the fingerprints because that's just how this metal, that's just how that metal is. And in this, I have like cabinets here with all my stuff. I have drawers, wax stuff. This is just a shelf to be able to put stuff on. This is where I stash all my makeup because I'm getting ready to use that again. And then this is another drawer down here. And the same is on this side. This is a mirror. That's a mirror. And then I have all of the same storage on that side. I have two of these rolling mirror stations. One is upstairs and one is here. And I have two of these silver chests. All of this is my suite, my salon suite. Inside my salon. But she is all clean and ready to go. And that back there is the bathroom. And I still need to do a little bit of mopping here. And then this is a storage closet. Ooh, I will give you a peek. But you, listen, this is for another day. I need to clean this out. This is for another day. But look at all this amazing storage. Ooh, yeah, this is for another day. Okay, oh, in the back of the door, I have storage on here too. So, yeah, this is for another day. I've got to clean this entire cabinet out. That's my little bathroom I just kind of redid. But yeah, this is my cleaned up suite ready to go for clients. Okay, that's the waiting area. I gotta clean that next. And she is all done. Have a great day.